Arthur Langford Jr. Teen Leadership Institute is a key initiative of the United Youth Adult Conference, and we feel a great opportunity to prepare young people within our city for leadership roles, to commit them to service, to give back to humanity, to make a difference, to improve the quality of life in their communities.
My name is Candace Williams.
My name is Tiara Hartley.
My name is Ranchez Gresham.
My name is April Welch.
My name is Cedric Evans.
My name is Charlene Beatty.
My name is Wayne Bowden.
My name is Christopher Lett.
My name is Kwamika Lasanya Brandon.
This program has meant a lot to me because I've met many interesting people and done a lot of innovative things. And this summer is the first time I've ever done something productive and educational in my free time, and I'm very proud to be a part of this program.
And this program means to me that it's an opportunity for us young adults to learn to be a leader so we can tell the future people of tomorrow how to be a leader.
I really think that this institute should be given out to other kids so they can have the opportunity to achieve as much as I have.
The Arthur Langford Teen Leadership Institute has meant a lot to me. It has changed me in a lot of ways. It's taught me things I never knew about before.
I gained a lot of knowledge from the Arthur Langford Teen Leadership Institute on not only how to be a leader, but on how to deal with people of different backgrounds or ways of bringing up than me.
And what the Arthur Langford Jr. Teen Leadership Institute has meant to me is waking up early on Saturdays and missing out on my Saturday activities, but it was worth it to me.
I want to be a general contractor, and they've taught me not to just be like, if I want to build houses, they've taught me not to just build a house, but to build a bridge, a tunnel, and other things that relate to construction to expand my horizons or what I want to do in life.
The Institute has meant a lot of things to me. It has taught me about leadership. It has taught me a lot of things, like how to step up for what I stand for and don't take anything from anybody, and how to be myself.
I learned a lot about the speakers that came to speak with us, and a lot of different things about it. I enjoyed it. If I had to do it again, I would come back and do it again.
I would like to say it was very exciting, enjoyable, and exploring.
I must say that for the past 10 weeks that I've enjoyed what we've done. We've had good times, we've had bad. We've moved from some of the individuals, some of the participants being gigglers, even though there are some that are still giggling that way. But they've become more serious. They've become more focused.
For those who are graduating in the inaugural class, we are tremendously proud of them and all that they did to get to this point. And for those who will come in the future, they come under a legacy of service for one who came, who understood the importance of servant leadership, who understood the importance of giving more than he took. And so, you know, it's in his spirit and with that legacy that I'm so very proud to be a part of this institute.
UIAC Teen Leadership Institute has focused with young people at an age where many people feel that they are very challenged, their teenage years. But we feel that if we don't prepare, if we don't train and develop these young people for leadership roles, no one else will. So UIAC is committed for many years to come to prepare young people, young men and women, young kings and queens for leadership roles within our community. For if we do not prepare them, then no one else will.
There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone,
Arthur Langford